Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The Isuzu D-Max, which has been the best-selling car in Thailand for years, has now received a facelift after 4 years. Visible changes include a more attractive grille design, front and rear lights, bumper and rims, while inside there is also the addition of the 7-inch digital panel, a 9-inch head unit, the Super Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The engine choice remains the same, namely 1900cc diesel with 150 PS of 350 Nm of torque and a 3000cc diesel with 190 PS of 450 Nm of torque, both combined with a 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission. Driving is even more enjoyable thanks to a pair of pedal shifters and a safer with the ADAS active safety feature. There are 5 types of D-Max presented to Thailand consumer, namely Spark single cabin, Space Cab extra cabin, Cab for double cabin, Highlander extra and double cabin, and the top of the range is V-Cross extra and double cabin. The selling prices are below. The 2024 Isuzu D-Max types and prices. Isuzu D-Max Spark at 577,000 to 720,000 Thailand baht. Isuzu D-Max Space Cab at 650,000 to 753,000 Thailand baht. Isuzu D-Max Cab 4 at 731,000 to 875,000 Thailand baht. Isuzu D-Max Highlander at 758,000 to 1,144,000 Thailand baht, and Isuzu D-Max V-Cross at 917,000 to 1,257,000 Thailand baht. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Isuzu D-Max? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.